What's up guys, I'm Andy in a new Adobe Premiere tutorial. Today I'm gonna learn you how to do the t-shirt effect. So let's start. At the beginning we will use a video like this. Then we come at this point while you are putting out the t-shirt, and by using the razor tool or C letter you cut this point. Then you come here at this point while you are removing the jacket or the t-shirt, and cut here. Then you could delete this part and we get a t-shirt effect.